Can you guys believe I'm doing 2 videos in one day? I sure can. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on it is called a Peach Punch Sherbet Cleansing Balm. This product is by Moly. I could just say regular Moly. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's Moly. I love a good cleansing balm. I've used the cosmetics one. I used the pharmacy, that green one. That one was so good. I really did enjoy that one. I know I used another one. Oh, I used like the Clinique one. That one's okay. It wasn't my favorite. I feel like it was just a little overrated, but I'm a sucker for good packaging. It was like a nice peach. I actually have the Moly hand lotion. Let me get it. This is the hand lotion. Sorry, the hand cream. And it's cute. It opens up. It has the cream on this side. It smells like peaches, and that's one thing I really love. So this is the hand lotion. This is 1.5 ounces. Just want to show you the comparison of the 2 peaches. This is the cleansing balm. The cleansing balm is 80 grams or 2.82 ounces. That's the difference. This one smells really good. I haven't even smelled it because I was just waiting to film this video for y'all. So let me open it. It smells so good. Like, it smells so good. It's not, This is what it looks like. It kind of has like a pink tint to it. It's kind of the same consistency as the other cleansing balms that I've used before. It melts. It's so interesting. I was just like playing around with it, and it literally is just coming off on my finger. Oh yeah, it's melting. I was like, no wonder it's melting on my finger. Melting sorbet. Sorry, I said sorbet, didn't I? It's called sherbet. It's Peach Punch Sherbet. I've been calling it sorbet this entire time. Classic Erica. Melting Sherbet Cleansing Balm with sweet peach extract and fragrance gently removes all makeup, leaving skin feeling moisturized. It says take an adequate amount. Okay, first of all, I love that they say take an adequate amount because I don't like what they say. I like this, adequate. And massage it onto dry skin in circular motions by adding lukewarm water and rinsing thoroughly, or use a tissue to gently wipe off from balm. So I actually did a review on this foundation, so if you want to see that video, link will be down below. Just click the link and you'll see my honest review on the Jouer foundation. I want to put on a Raggedy Ann shirt and I'll be back. I brought a towel and a spray bottle of water, you know. I'll make it work. I'm gonna pick up an adequate amount. I don't really like to like double dip, if that makes sense. Dunk my fingers in and then like it rub my face. I don't like to go back in for like seconds because I feel like that's just bacteria. Oh, it's real nice. Look at that. I took it all off. Get my hands wiped clean. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look how much makeup came off. Look at this. That's crazy. But my face feels so hydrated and smooth. I just love this stuff, but I used a lot of product. Like, I think next time when I take off my makeup, I won't need that much product. As you can see, I made a nice little dent in it, and I don't think I would need to do that next time. My face feels so hydrated. This product's so good. You need this in your life, but the thing is, I feel like if you have skin, like I have sensitive skin and I didn't feel any irritation with that. The scent doesn't bother me. If you're very sensitive to like scents and this is very peachy, like very peachy, you will not like this scent, but you know, it sounds good to me. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Peach Punch Sherbet Cleansing Balm review by Moly, and best product in town. Like, I'll be purchasing another one of these. Like, honestly, it's just so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, show me some love by liking it and subscribing to my channel. And if you have any future comments, if you have any future recommendations, just leave it down in the comment section below. I promise you for 2020, I am going to be a lot more better at filming videos and not going to be like months apart. I promise you. So until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.